Hi everyone, welcome back to Talkify. I hope you are all doing very well and quite. We are meeting after a long time because of some reason I have hold out to shoot my video. Uh, my exam has very near. That's why I can't shoot the video for you. As I have promised that within 1 month I have uh, do something very interesting and in order to improve your communication to the next level, but I can't do that because of some reason. I am very sorry for that, but I promise that after this day I will take my promise and I will do everything what I will say. Okay, please forgive me first time, and after all I will give you all important information regarding to the English communication and essential things regarding to the English communication. If you are ready to take your communication skill to the next level, you are in the right place. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to tell you about some modern AI tools that will help you to improve your communication without paying a single rupees. In today's world, artificial intelligence and machine learning raising very fast, and they are uh, producing a lot of tools and products that are helping human beings a lot. That's why and I there are so many tools available on internet which you can utilize in order to improve your communication without paying any single rupees. Yes, this is what I am telling you, that I have also used in my beginning phase, and I really help you a lot by these all techniques. These all techniques really are all basically from I learned whatever it is from the internet, because internet is just a cloud where knowledge are spread all over the environment, and you can only access all those materials, whatever subject you need. You may be physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, English, Hindi, whatever materials you want to, you can access on the internet. Because and we need to only English communication skills and the material charmingly. That's why you can access a lot of the resources from the internet, but a lot of resources you cannot find the exact, but I will provide you all the essential and useful things that you are only needed. Let's get talk about the AI tools that help you. First AI tools, that is Gemini. Yes, Gemini is a very good tools that helps a lot me in order to improve my communication. But the matter is how we can use the Gemini in order to improve my communication. First you have to write the prompt according to me. First you have to write like this: please treat me as a friend and establish a conversation with us, and talk to me like a friend that is usually we talk to in my uh, daily life with our friends. If you are going to write this prompt on your Gemini dashboard user interface, you will find this Gemini will try to talk with you, and they will give you also the correct answer whatever you have make mistakes in your answer. They will put one after another question, you have to put your answer, and after your answer they will give you the correct answer. This is the very best way to improve your communication, because I know a lot of students who are uh, from the rural area, they don't have very much money they can pay to the social media. That's why I am very supportive for all those students who are from the rural area. And the second AI tools that I am going to tell you, one is Pira, one of the second uh, application on the internet where you can download from the Play Store and you can use it, because this help you to connect with somebody else to real time conversation, and you can also build your confidence, and you can decrease your hesitation, because when somebody else connect with us we are lose our comfortability, and we lose our confidence. We talk very easily myself and my friends, but if somebody stranger connect with us, we are not able to speak a single word with that person. What is the reason behind it? This is the only reason of the practice. And this speed up tools, and it is also based on AI that will help you a lot. But what types of the helping this provide you? When you speak with somebody else, you can also talk to uh, the person, what I am making mistake, can you correct me? And you can ask me different types of the real time question, and you can answer that. This is what the peer providing. And the third one is very essential and very important, is that I am going to tell you, that will also help you in order to improve your communication skills. And not only helping it, but also this tools providing a lot of real time real time conversation with the people. After a lot of time, I don't know in this application, but after searching a lot, I have met this application and found, after founding this application, I have decided that I am going to do some work on that application, and I have improved my communication skill. Now you can see that what I am today. But this channel is providing you a lot of supports where you can improve your communication. Not only you can improve your communication, but also confidence. This channel after some time also going to provide you interview level of the English communication, how you can correct to interview, because my team also working it. And still we are not able to make such type of the YouTube channel that helps on the level of the interview. But I am trying a lot that come in front of you of in few days. If you are supporting me by subscribing and like bell icon button, I will give you a lot of benefits from this YouTube channel. I because I have a real time experience of industry. I am also related to the field of IT. That's why I have knowledge to how to uh, and what types of the challenges face a candidate during that interview, and what are the challenges uh, they facing during their preparation, and what is the possibility and how they can get the job in the industry. All these types of the problems will be solved on this YouTube channel after a few days. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. This is my request. I Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are like this video, please share with your friend circle, and I will meet you in the next video.